Like I said, I like to do a few tries. Who knows? We might get more than one winner.
Have you had sour gumball?
Had what?
Sour gumball.
Sour gumball? Yeah, I had a couple last night. They're like the warhead ones, right? That we used to get?
I don't know.
The crybabies. They remind me
Crybabies.
of the crybabies, but the crybabies, they have like the sugar. I love them.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
5-pound bags. I like make them.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Whoa.
Well, you said whoa. Do burp speech. Shit's hungry. Wait.
Oh my goodness. It keeps on going and going and going and going.
Nice. If only that was even longer.
Oh, I
There
have
was-
no more room in my gut for air.
I know there was no way to like stop that. Like I straight up was like, chances of completing, -1 to 10. Chances of winning, -5 to 10.
Oh my.
When this gets uploaded, it's just gonna be like a little mini family and friends with y'all burping and
Yeah,
just
burp.
in the